In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to extract zip files. So to do that, I have a zip file here, and the benefit of zipping your file is to secure it and also to make it easy to transfer or share. Now if you have a zip file, how do you extract it? To extract it, you must have installed an extractor, and one of the extractor is WinRAR, another one is 7-zip. There are different extractors you can install on your system, and before you can use it to extract a zip file. Now to extract a zip file, there are many options. Just right click on the file and you will see extract file. That is if you have installed an extractor. So the extractor I'm using is WinRAR. If I click on extract file, you can see it will bring this interface, and I'll click on OK. Now if the zip file has password, it will ask you for the password. Just enter the password. In this case, this file has password GGS. So I'll click on OK. So it will extract it. This is it. It has been extracted, and these are the files inside the folder. Now another way of extracting the file, let me delete this. Another way is right click the zip file and you see extract here. That means it will extract all the file inside this zip file where you are working. So click on extract here, enter the password and click on OK. So you can see it has extracted all the files here. So another way is if you right click here, the zip file, and you see extract to Ninja rainfall dataset. What that one does, let me click on it, enter the password, click on it, OK. So what that one does is it will extract it and save it in a folder with the same name as the original zip file. So in essence, this is how to extract your files. I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Like this video and subscribe.